Hello everyone, welcome to part 43 of reactjs tutorial with Laravel for beginners. And in this video, we are going to resolve the card link issue, and we are going to create the separate user navbar for all the links that we want to show after login. Okay, so before login, we are going to show the navbar, and after login, we are going to show the user navbar. So there are two navbar here. Okay, see, I want to specify here that before login we want to show the navbar.js, and after login, see, after login we are going to show the user navbar.js that we are going to create right now. Okay, so this is the thing that we are going to work on. See, I hope that it is clear to you. And see here. Okay, so before login we are going to show navbar.js, and after login we are going to show the user navbar.js. Okay, so navbar.js will have the links like uh, see, these links are the user links will not be there. The links like login, register, okay, and such links will be here. And here the links are account link, okay, and the link like logout link. And also we are going to add here the card link. See, our reactjs app is for the logged in user. See, user can able to add the production card only after login. Okay, so this is the basic version of our react app, and easiest to follow. So we are doing these changes just for the user benefit who are just learning the reactjs series with me. Okay, for the first time. Okay, so first of all, we're going to create this user navbar.js straight away. So I will create the user navbar component here. Okay, so new file, user navbar.js. Okay, a folder or file is already exists. I'm going to see user navbar here does not exist. We'll make sure here it is. See, I'm going to create this file once again. I'm going to remove and we'll create this file. Okay, new file, user navbar.js. Okay, the file has been created. I am going to create the RAFC react arrow function component like this. Now I will also open the navbar.js file. Okay, so that we can copy and paste much of its content from here. See, this header we are going to copy and we'll paste here. Okay, and we are going to copy this one as well, and we'll paste here as well. After export we are going to paste it as well. Okay, so here in return also we are going to this add this complete constant as well as the return up till here. Okay, so complete thing we are going to replace like this. And see, after that we are going to add manually export default, and here it will come the user navbar. Okay, like this. So see, everything will remain same, but here in navbar.js we are going to update this navbar.js, and will remove here these things that are related to the user, because we are going to use this navbar before login. Okay, so nothing like this we are going to store. We will just add the register and login links. Okay, no account details, no account link, no card link. Okay, so we are going to remove everything else. Just will keep register login links here. Okay, so we will align it as well. Here we are going to keep these links. Okay, so here you can see the about us, contact us, shop, register and login. Okay, so these links we are going to keep in navbar, and in user navbar we are going to keep these links. Okay, that we are going to use after login. Okay, so here this condition we are not required here though. I'm going to update this condition, but first of all I'm going to update the app.js. Okay, so we are going to modify this app.js now. So in app.js, we have included the navbar here, we will also include the user navbar, okay, that we have just created, user navbar. Okay, so I'm going to add this user navbar here as well, and after adding it here, we are going to add the condition. Okay, so we are going to add the condition in the same way like we have added in here earlier in our navbar like this. Okay, so the same condition we are going to add. uh, so here local storage. So before adding this condition, we are also required to add this one. Okay, const user, and this one we are going to add it here. Okay, so that this condition will work. Local storage, we are going to check in local storage that the user is actually logged in or not. Okay, so if the user is logged in, then we will show the user navbar. Okay, uh, see here we are going to show the new user navbar. Okay, like this. Okay, we are going to show here the user navbar like this. Okay, and here I'm going to make it like this. Okay, so now in else, see, in React we need to add the condition like this. Else we are going to show what we are going to show, we are going to show the navbar. Okay, I'm going to replace this user navbar with the navbar like this. Okay, and here we are going to end this one. Curly brackets we need to start after router. Here we need to start the curly bracket as well, and this curly bracket we need to close here as well. Okay, see, this is the condition that we need to add. Okay, so this is a kind of the if condition, if the user is there in the local storage, that we are going to store going to show the user navbar, otherwise we will show the navbar. Okay, so that we have added now. And now in user navbar, see, see, we are going to show all these links that are work after user logged in. So I'm going to show this one card link as well. Okay, that we have generated in the last video, but that was not working. Now it must work fine. Okay, in user number, and this one register login we can remove from here. So we can simply remove these register login links as well. Okay, otherwise you can keep it like this, and if there is any issue, then we can remove this one. Okay, so one more thing we are going to do here. uh, See, in navbar there must be no user link, but in user navbar you can add any link, like you can add any condition. Okay, if the user is logged in or not logged in, because it will not stop your code, it will not stop your app. Okay, but the if you will add some user kind of thing in navbar, then it may stop your app. Okay, so make sure that you will not add any kind of condition in navbar.js, any kind of user condition, and don't show any kind of user links in navbar. In user navbar you can show anything, because that we have included after login, after user login. So there no issue must come here. Okay, so now we also require to update the login.js. In login.js, see, after navigate to account, we will refresh the page once, so that there will no such issue. But that, first of all, we are going to test our code. Okay, after that we will move further. See, I'm going to refresh here, and going to log in here, and I'm going to log in with one of the user, like this one. And now we'll test 1 2 3 4 5 6. And after login, see here, that is working fine, but we need to refresh it once to see the card link. See, card link is working, but that is undefined, that we are going to resolve it right now. Okay, but first thing is, we will also here refresh the page, like window dot location dot reload. Okay, this one we are going to do after navigate to account, and the same thing we are going to do with the logout as well. Okay, like this. Okay, so now we will check the card link as well. Here the card link must work. So here we need to see here user details must come, user details dot id. Okay, I'm going to save it and we'll refresh our page. It stop working. We need to uh, see, I am going to disable this one and will enable this one. Now I'm going to check it once. See, now it seems to be working fine, and see, user id is also coming. Okay, so I will remove this one that we have added in the last video just for debugging. So I will remove this one, and this one card link is working fine. You can click on card link and see it is showing the products. Okay, so I'm going to click on logout once. See, there is no card link after logout. You can see only login register links are coming, and app is working very fine. You can see, you can go to any page here. See, it's working wonderful. Okay, all the pages are opening now. Okay, and after login, I'm going to see that after login that it must work fine as well, and the card link must come along with the account and logout links. I'm going to login now and we'll see after login. See, the card link has come up after login. You can see the card link, account link has come. Okay, so I'm going to click on card link once again, and let's see, we have reached the shopping cart page without any issue, and you can move further to the checkout page as well without any issue. So you can assess this card link, and back to card is also work. Okay, you can see. See, if you will go in account, see, you can able to see the account details as well. So all the links are working now. See, before login, after login, just minor changes you need to do at your end. Just create this user navbar. Okay, and show all the links in the same way like you are showing in the navbar. Just copy paste the navbar from navbar to user navbar, and in navbar just remove all the user links and just show all the links that come before the user login, like about us, contact us, shop, register, and login. And after this, see, after login we are going to show these links: shop, card, okay, account. Okay, so all the links will work fine. So now there is no issue in our React app so far. In the next video we will continue working on the delivery address form. Okay, and see, once we will update, when the user will update this delivery address and we click on place order, then we are going to place the COD order for now. Okay, and we will show the order details as well. So stay tuned for the next video. We will continue our React app, and lastly we are going to deploy this React app. We are going to make it online as well. Okay, you can get this reactjs code uh, just by joining the channel. Okay, you can always join the channel by opening the website youtube.com stack developers. Okay, you can always open this stack developers YouTube channel, and you can always subscribe to get all Laravel updates, all reactjs updates, and you can always join the channel to get the complete source code of Laravel e-commerce series as well as the reactjs series as well. Okay, so you will get both the series once you will join the channel. See, you will also get this complete multi-vendor e-commerce website that we are using as the backend for our React app. All the APIs are here as well, so you will get the app as well as the complete website once you will join the channel from here by paying the small fees. Okay, so that's all for now. If you will have any trouble, you can surely contact me. Have a nice day. Goodbye.